is our first day here in Newport again. This is where I'm staying for my ground school. And I can't believe I can call myself student pilot now kasi nag-start na kami kahapon. And right now, kakatapos ko lang mag-jogging. I wanna be healthy na kasi medyo overweight tayo ngayon. But I'm picking up my coffee here kasi mura siya. But at the same time, masarap. I got brown sugar latte. I know nag-jogging ako, tapos brown sugar latte. I really just can't resist coffee, guys. Ayun nga, mag-resist man ako ng soft drinks, wag lang kape, guys. So, ayun. Pero I'm trying to go with iced Americano na lang. Let's see sa coming days. Just got home, guys. Ito nga pala yung dorm namin. I'm not sure if I can give you a tour. Sana kahapon nung wala akong masyadong gamit. Medyo madaming gamit ngayon kasi nag-move in si Bon, which is my roommate here, kagabi. Tapos yung ibang gamit ni Hilaire, which is our friend, na hindi siya magsistay dito but nakitulog siya kagabi. Nandito din yung gamit niya. So medyo magulo right now. Sana na-tour ko kayo nung bagong bukas pa lang siya. But anyways, it's actually good naman. Like, puti yung walls. Maganda din yung, not sure if I can show you guys yung CR. Maganda din dito. Like, look. So, I'm good with this one naman. I want din something that will be very Instagrammable naman. So, yeah. Kakatapos ko lang mag-jogging. And then now, naliligo ako. And then, kakain ng lunch. And then, magpapapalit ako ng nails. This is brand new nails, guys. But, hindi pwede pala ang colored nail polish. And medyo mahaba daw yung nails ko. So, I have to change it. Hindi naman ako napagalitan, guys. But, sabi lang, ibahin. Dapat neutral na color lang. So, magpapa-gel polish na lang ako. Hindi na ako magpapa-extensions. So, yeah, I'll see you later pag nasa salon na siguro ako or kumakain ako. So, wala pa kaming table. Dito na lang ako kakain. Oh, bumababa yung tripod. Ang aking ulam for today is pork steak. Kaso kasi, yung unang kong karinderya natin ngayon, guys, ano siya, hindi masarap yung mga ulam. Ang mura lang sana, like around 45 lang yung ulam. Kaso hindi ganun kasarap. Kaya, I feel like hindi ako makakadalas ng luto here sa dorm. Kasi, medyo maliit lang yung dorm namin. Tapos, mahirap magluto. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat. Next week siguro magdadala na ako ng table and seat. But, magpapaka-iPad kid muna ako and eat. On the way to the salon, guys. With my bag, pink bag. From Tita Nani. Thank you, Tita Nani. I love her. Papatanggal ko yung bigas ko. Good morning, everyone. It's our second day of ground school. PPL, hindi ko pala nasabi. Bibili lang ako ng coffee here. And yeah, mag-aangkas tayo. Papunta sa bus. Good morning, guys. I'm here na sa FAS. Ang aga namin. Anong oras na nandito?
7.
Wow. Ako sa mga 7:20. Ay, hindi. 7:10. Yan.
Mahirap kasi parking dito.
Yeah. Medyo masikip. But yeah, second day. Lunch break. Good morning, guys! Di ako masyado nakapag-vlog yesterday. Ang hirap mag-vlog pag nasa ground school. But I'll try my best na pakita sa inyo yung mga rooms and like that. Kasi alam kong curious kayo. Just like me, gusto ko makahanap ng bisat na nag-vlog through everything. Kaya second day pa lang naman kahapon. I'll try na i-vlog yun. But today is Thursday. I'm jogging again. And alam niyo guys, hindi ko alam kung anong direction ko. Kung jogging nila. Parang feeling ko mali ako. Try ko nga yung ibang direction, guys. So, ayun. I'm wearing an Itra shirt. Kung gusto niyo nito, go to WeWear_Itra sa Instagram.
walking to Starbucks dito sa Newport para mag-review because we're gonna have our first exam tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do some work then for my work. So, yeah. Pagod na ako. Kasi, nag-jogging na ako dito kanina. Pagod ako. Sobra yung jogging ko kanina. Dapat mga half lang no. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. This is my lunch, kare-kare from the Carinderia.
That it can only be adjusted while on the ground, as the pilot has to manually move it.
Hello guys, done with our class for today. Inabot kami ng 2:30. We had an exam and quiz sabay for air law noong umaga and I got 98% out of 100 for air law. And then sa hapon, nag-discuss na kami ng basic principles of flight. Nag-start lang pero hindi pa tapos. And yeah, medyo information overload but I'm having fun. I'm really learning about the aerodynamics finally of an aircraft. So, yeah, it's fun. Medyo hirap lang ako kasi sinisipon ako tsaka inuubo. So, ang awkward. Kita niyo naman, ang liit nung classroom namin. So, pag uubo ka, rinig talaga. So, right now, hintay ko lang si John kasi sabay kami usually umuwi. Pagpapunta dito pala guys, nag-aangkas ako. Hindi ko sure kung na-vlog ko. Ang hirap mag-vlog talaga. But, yeah, I'll try to vlog for you guys to see talaga the day-to-day of a business student. So, that's it for the week. I think Monday na kami babalik. So, good morning everyone. I'm so bad at vlogging, sorry. Pero I'm trying talaga. Right now, wala pala akong pasok because pinagbaliktad yung schedule namin ni Von, which is my roommate. Now I'm just doing some work. If you guys don't know, I have like a part-time or like a freelance work. I do social media. I'm a social media manager. So, if you guys want me to manage din pala your social media, I'd be happy to do so. You can send me an email. I can send you my portfolio and stuff. So, nagano pa ng work. Anyways, that's just what I'm doing right now here. Nagdala na ako ng table here. This is just a single table. Later siguro, I will eat lunch. I don't know if I will have someone with me. Let's see. So, yeah.
Been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people. Had a lot of problems, but I couldn't keep them. I've been on a so big to wipe out lethal. Switch it up, ayy. Take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, babe. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. Do me wrong, I'ma be alright. Cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma take you up. I catch honeybees, they don't sting like me. I'm resilient, like an apple tree. Always wanted more, they just bother me. But I get money, yeah, like it falls from trees. I just wanna dance, I just wanna sing for someone like me. Dreams don't come for free, but I take my time, it'll come to me.
Thank you sa libre, Mara.
But it's hard to keep. Switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, bring it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, bring it down to the flow.
Good morning. I got my pickup. Always the brown sugar latte. So, naglakad na lang ako here, but I don't know kung mag-tricycle ako papunta. Kasi medyo nakakapagod, but I need to get my steps in kasi I feel like di ako nakaka-jogging today. Hello guys, ang init. But I'm walking na sa jeep. Gonna try jeep for the first time by myself.